In this real review of Flare, the world's only no-selling income system, launched today, June 21st, 2021 on Warrior Plus by Venkata Ramana. Starts off with the headline of how I get $20 payments over and over every time someone clicks their mouse, even if they don't buy anything. I'm going to show you inside of Flare and explain exactly what this headline means. Inside of Flare, you have an 11-minute video that's a demo video. It's basically going to show you exactly what I'm about to show you, which is inside of Flare. You're going to search for keywords. For example, make money online. You're going to hit search. It's going to come back with a list of keywords. You're going to hit create post. You're going to wait for that to create a post. You can see down here in the left-hand corner, we're still waiting for flaresoft.org. And there it goes. So here you go. Enter keyword make is what it picked up after I did make money online. But you can see it's going to create makeup post. What it's going to do is it's going to pull a series of YouTube videos based upon your keyword. Then you're going to hit create post from that video. It's going to pull the thumbnail. It's going to give you a title. It's going to give you post content. Of course, this is an editor inside of this text editor. Then you're going to select it to one of your websites. Here we'll go ahead and apply it to Healthy Living. And we'll go ahead and publish that post. Here you would pick the categories. Of course, you would have to set up these categories down in the My Blog section. We'll do that in a second. We'll go ahead and Healthy Living, include thumbnail and post, include video and post, create post. Yay, post created successfully. Now we're going to go to My Blogs. Here you're going to see Healthy Living, flaresoft.org. So the blog that you're going to be creating is hosted on the domain flaresoft.org. It's going to be on the subdomain that you create here, in this case, Healthy Living. Go ahead and we'll click on healthyliving.flaresoft.org. Here is the post that we just created, Healthy Living. Click Read More. And then here are the two images that it pulled in, which is really one image. It is the thumbnail. You're going to scroll down here. You're going to see the video and the video thumbnail, which is the image above. Then you're going to see this wall of text, which is the transcript that it ripped from the video. And then a tag here, 1, 2, 3, go. You can edit that list of tags back inside of Flare under the option here where you can edit the blog post by clicking the cogwheel. And here you can edit your post. You could add a custom domain to your subdomain, healthyliving.flaresoft.org in this case. Of course, if you're going to purchase a domain and pay for a domain, you might as well add the little bit of extra money, $7 to create or to buy your own hosting and just build your own website. Ads. Here is the part of Flare that is the secret sauce. It is the reason for the headline, how I get $20 payments over and over every time someone clicks their mouse, even if they don't buy anything. And then you scroll down and you understand what the 3 steps they're offering you in Flare are. Step 1, get your pay link. This is a link that we're getting paid $20 or more every time someone clicks on it, regardless if they buy anything. They mean Adsense running ads on this blog post that Flare created for you that you see here. So you're going to insert your Adsense code, and then Adsense ads, if you get approved, are going to be posted on this page. And the reason I said if you get approved for Adsense, because you need to understand before you sign up the eligibility requirements for Adsense, the fact that you have to meet eligibility requirements, and that main eligibility requirement is, do you have your own unique and interesting content? Your content must be high quality, original, and attract an audience. I'll repeat that. Your content must be high quality, original, and attract an audience to be eligible for Adsense. Here is the post that Flaresoft created for you. Is this high quality? Is this wall of text unique? I'm going to say no. If you disagree, please let me know why you disagree with my opinion in the comments. Step 2, you're going to paste that code. Again, you're going to paste that into Flare. Step 3, you're going to send traffic. And here it tells you to turn on the built-in traffic to start flooding your pay link with free clicks. Back inside of Flare, after you set your pay link, which is your Google AdSense code, you're simply going to come down here to Traffic Monster, and then you're going to select the site, for example, healthyliving.flaresoft.org. You're going to click, you're going to share that on Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Viber, Snapchat, Mix, Foursquare, Evernote, Flipboard, Minimi, Threema, Ode, No, Klasniki, which, by the way, if you click on that, it's a Russian site that comes up with a 404 error. This page does not exist on OK. So that traffic source is off the table. It doesn't even work. Here you can keep scrolling. Google Bookmarks, Gmail, Instapaper, Qzone, Sofingbird, Skype. Let's see what happens if I click that. Oops, something went wrong at our end. It doesn't work either, so that's down 2 traffic sources out of this long list. You can click here and send it to Amazon. Add it to your own wish list. Go back to traffic. Keep scrolling through. Lots of other traffic sources here where they say you're going to get your link out and you're actually going to earn $20 from Adsense. As you saw here, step 1, get your pay link, your Adsense code, paste it into Flare. Step 3, send traffic, turning on the built-in traffic to start flooding your pay link with free clicks. Flare, the world's only no-selling income system. Do not buy this. This is an absolute joke of software. This is a total money grab. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here in the middle of the screen. Check out the other video here on the screen. Click that, watch it for more awesome content just like this video. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.